25 questions in 25 days. Hello, Aluxers. This is a special series we're doing before the end of the year, where we answer some of the questions you ladies and gents have sent our way. If you're new here, do yourself a favor and subscribe. You're currently missing out. Here's today's question. How to make money when you're young? Asked by everyone, everywhere. This is probably the most popular question we get from teenagers or people in college looking to generate some extra income. And here's probably the most important thing to understand about money. It's the golden rule of generating wealth. Our rewards in life will always be in exact proportion to our service. Translated, this means you'll be paid directly proportional to the amount of value you can generate in the marketplace. The higher the quality of your work, the higher the pay. The rarer the skill set is, the more you get paid. But the easier it is for someone to replace you, the lower the amount you'll earn. This is one of the most valuable things to understand. When you're young, you have yet to master a skill. You lack in-depth understanding of the process, and there are many other potential candidates who could take your place. That is why you'll not be paid a lot of money when you're young, and that's okay, because it should be that way. Developing skills is more important than generating income, because good skills will always be of more value in the long run than money. This was a very important distinction we had to get out of the way, because without it, you would just be lost. If you just need the money, find small gigs or part-time jobs that pay something decent. You're not above taking part-time jobs, working fast food or similar. That's if you really need the money. The luxury you have when you're young is that you have a lot of free time on your hands, which some choose to waste on video games or TV shows. In this day and age, probably the best thing to do while in high school or college is to start building an audience. In the process of doing so, you'll build up a skill set, which will in turn turn out to be extremely valuable in the long run. We've put together a very comprehensive list of businesses you can start with almost no money. You can watch it by clicking in the top right corner. If you're looking to grow a business while in your dorm room, these are some great places to start. Once you master any of these skills, you can branch out or grow them into real companies. If you're not the entrepreneurial type and instead are looking for a career in an existing company, here's a special trick we recommend you use. Research the top 3 places you'd want to work, no matter what your age or experience is. Once you know what those 3 best options would be for you, research the hell out of their website and what's in the media about the company. With that knowledge, it's time to get some real-life experience. You want to go to the headquarters of the business and tell them you want to work there and are open to learning. If they look at you weird, ask them to speak with someone who's responsible for internships, or maybe someone you can shadow. They'll be really suspicious about it because people don't usually approach it like this. If they say no or find excuses, that's when the real test begins. You're going to play detective and find the contact info, preferably an email, of the highest person in the company and email them your pitch. Why you believe the company is the right fit for your career path, how you want to learn and add value to them. Pro tip. Sprinkle in some of the information you found while researching their media presence. It'll definitely be a plus. Either way, stop expecting immediate returns on your effort. As we discussed in both entrepreneurship and career building, you're playing the long game. Probably the best resource available is a book called Exactly What to Say by Phil Jones. In it, you'll find small techniques that increase your chances of getting what you want from other people just by changing the way you present it. If you want, you can get it for free if you go to Alux.com/freebook, courtesy of our partnership with Audible. So, Aluxers, what do you think about this? Are you falling victim to get-rich-quick schemes, or are you serious about playing the long game? We're really curious to know. If you want to make sure you're not missing any of the daily value we provide, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. You can never have too much motivation in your life. We handpicked this video for you to watch next. We look forward to hearing from you, and as always, see you back here tomorrow.